Good evening and hello I bid to Madam Sharifah and my fellow friends. Before we start the presentation, I would like to introduce ourselves first. Starting with me, my name is LIYANA NADIAH BINTI FISAL and my matrix number is 206005. Next, my partner's name is DURRATUL HANA binti NORAZIZI and her matrix number is 208210. The presentation topic today is about animal research benefit us. What is animal research? Animal research refers to the experimentation carried out on animals. It is used to assess the safety and effectiveness of everything from medication to cosmetics as well as understanding how the human body works. Look at this image. It shows that humans and animals are pretty similar in terms of their organs. Animals like mice and monkeys have the same organs such as heart, lungs, brain, and the organ system which are respiratory, cardiovascular, and nervous system which perform the same function in pretty much the same way as humans do. Based on this pie chart, according to the Animal Welfare Act in the United States, it shows that 60% of animal research procedure does not give a pain to animals, thus there are no anesthesia needed. However, only 7% of this animal research gives some pain to the animals, but no anesthesia needed. It shows that most of the procedure happen did not harm the animal. Though many people against this action, this animal research done in order to give benefit to humans, either for medical research and education purpose. There are two benefits of animal research that we are going to discuss here, which are use animal for medical research and use animal for education purpose. Now let us move on to why animals being used in medical research. Scientists use animals for medical research to develop treatment for humans. According to a survey conducted in United States, it shows that about 54% of American people thinks that medical testing on animals is acceptable compared to unacceptable, which is about 43% only. According to the Animal Research Info website, there are many benefits of why animal research happen in medical fields. First of all, animals are used as models to study diseases. Studying disease mechanism in animal models leads directly to the development of new technologies and medications that benefits humans that help to cure disease. Humans and animals share hundreds of diseases, and animals can act as model for the study of human diseases. For example, dogs suffer from cancer, diabetes, cataracts, and ulcer, which make them suitable candidates for the research. From such model, we learn how disease affect the body, how the immune system respond, who will be affected, and many more. Next, animals are used to develop and test potential forms of treatment. Diagnostic tools such as scanners and implants and many surgical treatments such as open heart surgery and heart transplant were developed and tested in animals first before humans. Once researchers have learned more about a particular diseases, animals are used to develop and test this potential treatment as part of the applied research processes. Data from animal research is essential before new techniques and surgical procedures can be tested on human patients. Now, I will pass the next benefits of animal research to my partner, DURRATUL HANA, who will describe it more.
Thank you, Liana. So let's get started talking about use animal testing for education purpose. Firstly, animal testing used in experiments to observe their behavior. These experiments actually are done to understand how organisms detect and interact with each other and the environments. The animals that usually used is flies, worms, mice, and rats. The aim of this study to observe the brain functions such as memory and social behavior. This experiment actually is very important, especially for a veterinarian to have a medical knowledge and experience in the animal species. Next is used for learning in school and university. Animals are also used in the field of biology, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, biotechnology, and other as a tool of learning and experiments. Did you know 87.5% of the teacher would agree that the real animal dissection is very important to the teaching of biology, while 56.3% agree that there are no substitute for the real animal dissections. This is why the use of animal is very important in school. This is because by using the animal, especially in dissecting an animal, it can offer education in fine motor skill, high eyes coordination, and handling sharp carefully. By this hand-on learning will keep a student more engaged, which can more facilitate knowledge for a student learning. So, in conclusion, it proves that animal testing provide a numerous benefits in order to improve human health and also to educate people. Even we cannot deny that the facts that many humans are benefit from this animal research. Hence, I urge the use of animal in research, learnings and trainings can be more practiced in a proper way as it able to achieve a major advance to our future. Thus, you can making a world of difference in the future. In the word of Professor Bowlby said that animal research is essential to our future. Thanks for this research, we can achieve a better life and survival rates for many cancer, for instance, to continue to improve. That's bring the ends of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.